HMD Global, the home of Nokia phones, makes every day amazing with its newest lineup of Nokia smartphones that Filipino fans can love, trust and keep for longer. Stunning in design and reliable in performance, the Nokia G10, Nokia C20 and Nokia C10 will be available exclusively on Shopee with special discount vouchers during the pre-order period. Fans can get first dibs by pre-ordering the latest Nokia smartphones on Shopee from June 7th to 13th. The devices will be available in all Nokia mobile authorized online and retail stores nationwide starting June 14th to 20. The Nokia G10 is the latest smartphone with our first ever 3-day battery life, plus offering triple rear camera. Available in night and dusk color variants, it comes with a headset, free clear case and screen protector in box. Its original price of $6,990 is reduced to only $6,890 through Shopee's exclusive 100 off voucher using the code Nokia G100 during the pre-order period. Making premium smartphone technology accessible, the Nokia C20 boasts a design that is built to last, durable and accident-proof. It packs front and rear-facing cameras with LED flash at the enticing price of $4,690. Available in sand and dark blue color variants, it comes with a headset, free clear case and screen protector in box. Fans also get a 50 Shopee discount voucher using the code Nokia C50. The ultra-attractive and ultra-high-value Nokia C10 comes in light purple and gray color variants. It is the most affordable smartphone to offer a 6.5-inch HD Plus display for only $3,990 with a headset, free clear case and screen protector in box and a 50 Shopee discount voucher with the promo code Nokia C50 upon checkout.